Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Instagram and how to change your close friends list using your PC. This feature allows you to share exclusive content with a select group of friends, making it a great way to keep your more personal moments private. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to expand the menu options available to you. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, find and click on Close Friends. This section is where you can view and edit your current close friends list. Here comes the exciting part. You can now make your changes by adding or removing friends from this list. If you want to add someone, simply search for their name in the provided field and click the option to add them. Conversely, if there are friends you wish to remove, just click the Remove button next to their name. Once you've made all your adjustments, don't forget to save any changes if prompted. Your updated close friends list is now ready. This new update makes it easier than ever to curate who sees your special moments. Whether you're sharing a funny story or a personal update, you can now control who gets access to that content with just a few clicks. Remember, your friends will not be notified when you add or remove them from your close friends list, so feel free to make changes as needed without worrying about hurt feelings. That's all for today. Enjoy sharing those special moments with your close friends on Instagram.